my god. Oh shoot. Oh, my arm. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video, I'm gonna be comparing the new Fenty Body Lava with the new Sol, I think you pronounce it, Janeiro Glow Oil. As you can see, they look pretty similar. Just like the Fenty Beauty has two different colors, a lighter one and a darker one. The Sol de Janeiro, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sure I am. It looks like almost the same. Of course, different packaging, different branding, different prices, different sizes, but we're gonna compare how they both look side by side and see what's good. Let's find out and see if Fenty Beauty has some competition. Before I get into the video, if you like videos like these, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss any of my videos, because you know how YouTube always be playing me. Enough of me yapping, let's get into the video. This video is gonna be a little different compared to all of the other Fenty Beauty Body Lava videos, mainly because I don't really have perfect skin on my chest, on my arms. I have keratosis pilaris, so if you don't know what that means, it's basically chicken skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. To summarize it, it really just is skin that looks like the skin of a chicken. So you know when you have a chicken, before you make it, how the skin looks and it has like the little dots on it? That is how it looks, but it's on a human. And it's on me. Great. So I have a bit of it on my chest, my arms. I have a bunch of it on my back. We're not even gonna get into that or show that. I've had it basically all of my life. Sometimes it looks really bad. Sometimes it looks fine. Sometimes it's inflamed and you can see I have little bumps and scars, and sometimes it just looks like I have nothing and people are like, what are you talking about? Your skin looks fine. So I'm gonna show you how, not only how the Fenty Beauty Body Lava looks on my keratosis pilaris skin, aka chicken skin. I'm also gonna show you how the body glow oil from the Sol de Janeiro looks on my skin as well. Let's get into the specifics about each product. So the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, of course, we all know from Bad Girl Riri, Rihanna, Mom, Auntie, all of those things, comes in two different colors, two different shades. The darkest shade, which is more of like a bronzy, coppery color, is brown sugar. And then we have Who Needs Clothes, which is more of like a pretty rose gold shimmery color, which is lighter. These bottles are glass, so this packaging is beautiful, high quality. It costs 59 buckaroos, $59. And in each bottle, it comes with 3 fluid ounce. And if you haven't seen on Instagram, someone actually cut this open to show you how much product is inside. There is a lot of product in this bomb. Now jumping over to the Sol de Janeiro, it's basically a bronzer illuminator. So this one is an illuminator, which is the lighter one, which is similar to Who Needs Clothes. And then we have, this is more of the bronzer illuminator that's darker. And this is similar to brown sugar. So you can see they kind of have the same feel, same vibe. And this bottle comes with 2.5 fluid ounce, so it's cheaper than the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. But it looks like, you know, obviously you get more in the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, so of course you're gonna pay more. So what I'm gonna do is apply both colors from both brands. I'm gonna have the Sol de Janeiro body oil on this side, and then I'm gonna have the Fenty Beauty Body Lava on this side. So of course, I'm super excited to try out the Fenty Beauty Body Lava first. I'm gonna start off with Who Needs Clothes because it's a lighter color, so I wanna go from light to dark. I don't wanna put a darker color on and then switch. Okay, so I put a good amount of the product on my skin. I'm gonna take the Kabuki and blend it out, and let's see how it looks. I know it smells good. Usually stuff like this stinks, like it smells weird. Okay, so I see right away it does not cover my chicken skin, which is fine. I didn't really expect it to. Look at my shoulder. So this shoulder has nothing on it, obviously. And this shoulder has the Body Lava on it. And I'm gonna OD, like I'm gonna put a lot on because I wanna see if it could at least give me like a little coverage to cover up some of the imperfections as opposed to just, you know, making me shimmer and glitter and look wet. This looks really pretty. Ooh, but you can see right here, my keratosis still peeking through. That's why I'm excited to try brown sugar, because since it's darker, I'm hoping it can do a little something, something. It still looks really pretty. This is really, really pretty. Like, I can imagine the people who do have really nice clear skin on their body, this looks amazing. I would wear this every day. So I'm gonna jump over onto the other side and I'm gonna try the Sol de Janeiro Glow Oil. These glow oils don't have a kabuki brush that you can purchase to pair with it. I don't believe this company even sells brushes. This isn't like a makeup company. This is more focused on body, like skincare. I don't know if there is a attachment. I mean, I'm sure like maybe one of the MAC pumps can fit on this. So let's see what it does. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute, is this a dupe? Could this possibly be a dupe? Let's do this. Whoa. Okay, so first of all, this one is a little more lightweight. The Fenty Beauty one does feel a bit more, like I said, thicker, or like a very, like not, I can't explain it. It's just like a thicker consistency. It's not like a regular body oil, if that's what you're looking for. They look really similar, except the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, the glitter specks are a little chunkier, where this actually doesn't have glitter. Does it have glitter? No, this is shimmer. So this is more of a, not shimmer, a sheen. This is more of a sheen. Look at how that glows. Huh, okay, so they do give off two different effects, like the way that the light reflects off of both of them. Would you really like 110% right off the bat, like right away, know that it's not the Fenty Beauty Body Lava? Like right away. What do you think? Comment below and you be the judge. Do you think they look the same? Do you think they look different? Do you think it's a possible dupe? Okay, so now it's time to try brown sugar and put it up against Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil. Of course, I'm gonna start with brown sugar. I'm gonna OD on this one because I feel like this one's gonna be my favorite one. Okay. Definitely like this one way better, so much better. See, I like this better because this is more of a gold reflex. Woo, look at that! I'm feeling myself. So this is the brown sugar side. I'm gonna move on to the Copacabana Bronze Body Oil and let's see how that one is. So let's start with this side. I have a feeling this one's gonna make me look darker but not necessarily give me this. I ain't gonna do this. It ain't gonna do this. So this one looks, I don't know if you can see it, it looks red. You could definitely see this is red. Like, look at this area. I'm still gonna add more because I just wanna put as much as I did on the other side. Yeah, this isn't, I feel like maybe I would get away with this shade in the summertime because in the summer I get dark. So I think in the summertime, this would look better on me because when I do tan in the summer, I get a little bit more red. Of course, comment below, let me know. Let me get a close-up shot. You can see I look a little bit more red on this side. This side looks so pretty, but it does look beautiful. I'm gonna start wearing this more often. They are different, but they are the same in ways, if that makes sense. So I feel like this could be a possible dupe for you if you can't afford to spend $59, but if you want to look like this, better stain up them coins. Do you think that it covered my keratosis pilaris? That is the most important question. All right, so we put both head to head. For me, I would have to say that the Body Lava is the winner for me. Is it Team Body Lava or you Team Glow Oil? Comment below and let me know. Let me know which one you will think about or might possibly be purchasing. Love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if there are other products out there that you might think you have found a dupe for, but you know, you don't want to spend your money and try it out and you want me to try it out. Let me know so I can compare it and we can find out what's good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces!